Yeah, hi, afternoon, Ian. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I've done your laser. I've kept it for extra time because I wanted to make sure it's properly working. And obviously, as you appreciate, it's Bank Holiday Monday yesterday, so it's not too quick off the mark for us. As you're probably aware yourself, that you get really busy, and I'm just trying to catch up from things at the moment. But I have done it. Okay, so it's all working, and I've had it on the bench now all day, playing a couple of different CDs, and it's working fine without any jumps, problems, which is good news. I opened it up. I've changed the laser for a brand new one. I've also taken the cogs, give them a clean. They were quite packed up. Look like someone's been spraying maybe a WD-40 in there, something like that. And that's a no-go for these things. So just be aware of that. That was in there. I don't know whether it was you or someone else, or whether it's just been there for years. I don't know. It could have been just old stuff in there that's just melted, all gone liquidified. But my guess would be oil or something someone's put in there. So what I've done, I use Vaseline personally, or gun grease, and it's perfectly fine. It works really well. So, but yeah, okay, Ian. Thank you ever so much, and really appreciate you sending us your business, and you got a 6-month warranty on that, parts and labour, for the repair work that we've actually carried out. Okay. So you should have many years of fun with this anyway, so you shouldn't get any issues. So yeah, there you go. Thank you ever so much. You have a great day, and I'll be sending that out tomorrow via sign for delivery. Okay, first class. Thank you.